AkkenCloud provides applicant tracking system to the staffing and the recruiting industry. As part of its applicant tracking system, it also offers an option to be able to create a custom career portal for each of its customers that they are able to integrate into their website. This integration gives the ability to the staffing company to be able to publish all of the open jobs directly onto their website. These jobs are then found by the applicants through Google search, and they would be able to come, will be redirected to this career portal page where they would see all of the open job orders. An applicant would then click on a job that they might be interested in to see the details of that job. And if they decide to apply for it, they would then click on apply now. When they click on apply now, the career portal would ask them to submit their information, including their contact information, as well as an option to be able to submit their resume. And this resume, they might have it on their personal computer or in a Dropbox or in a G Drive. If the applicant would like to apply or submit a resume that they have stored in their G Drive, what they would do is they would click on choose from Google Drive. And when they click on it, it is connected to Google. And then Google would ask the email address or the login that they would like to use to retrieve the resume. And once they pick a user ID, they would then be asked for their password. As you can see here, the information that is being used to be able to send to Google and back. Just would like to highlight it so that can be clearly seen what is being used, the client ID and the other things. So once the applicant type in their password and click next, Google will authenticate the user login and kind of shows a message that if they would like to allow this app to be able to connect to the G Drive. Again, just for verification and display purposes, let's look at the information that is being used to authenticate this user connection. And now the user decides to continue. Then it would be, you can allow it to be able to use that information. This is what is being used again. That we would like to highlight, especially the client ID, I believe, is necessary. So the applicant would allow AkkenCloud Google Filter to be able to connect to the G Drive. And once that authenticated, the final step allow we would like to capture the URL for the review of this application again, just to make sure the information is captured right. And now the user will click allow. So now Google would authenticate and allow that user to be able to connect to the G Drive. And now the applicant can see the documents that are in their G Drive. Like for example, here I would pick the resume that I have in my G Drive and I would select that would be uploaded. So with my other information here, I will then be able to submit for this application. So this is how the Google G Picker is being used in the AkkenCloud career portal. Thank you.